Hi, I'm Mike with Central Coast Solar Brokers. For the last decade, I've been helping people in the Central Coast go solar. And one thing I've realized is that getting solar quotes, it's time consuming and can be overwhelming. Typically, you'll spend hours researching and calling solar companies, repeating the same information over and over again, scheduling multiple site visits, sitting down and listening to all the different sales pitches, and then waiting days or even weeks to get quotes. I thought, there's got to be a better way. Well, now I'm excited to offer a faster, simpler way to go solar. With just one phone call to Central Coast Solar Brokers, we'll gather your utility and future usage, assess the property and electrical situation, design the solar system, and then we'll match you with a reputable local solar installation company that best fits your budget and time frame. And Central Coast Solar Brokers will be with you throughout the whole process, acting as your partner. Now that's Solar Simplified. When you're ready to go solar, give me a call at Central Coast Solar Brokers for your free solar consultation.